Okay, so now we want to go to 1, and we want to 1, and then we want to hit the B key. Actually, we want to go ahead and select this outer rim here. All the way around. And we'll go to 1, and we'll go ahead and extrude that. And we'll go in the Z direction, and we'll just extrude that down a little bit. So we have kind of a tree trunk here. And then we can do Control R. Let's add some edge loops in there. Try to get everything kind of square for now. If we do that, it's pretty square. Right click. If you left click, when you do the selection, when you have the pink lines, if you left click, if you move the mouse around, your lines will move. So remember to right click to cancel out of it. So let's go ahead and hit A. Let's do B. Leaving proportional editing on. Let's scale this and move this up a little bit just so we can get a little. Maybe something like that. That should be good. All right, let's go ahead and change it to face mode. And let's do where you cannot see behind. Actually, disable that. And oh, because I'm in wireframe, I need to get back to solid mode. And then I get this little icon here if I go back to solid mode. So let's go ahead and do face select. And let's select this ring of faces here. So if you Alt, if you notice, okay, there we go. Sometimes you might click on something thinking you're going to get one way, but it'll give you the other. You just have to kind of there we go. So sometimes that'll you just have to click around till you get it. So let's go ahead and extrude, and let's pull this up just a little bit, just to give it a little bit of a rim. Not much. Maybe something like that. That should be good. All right, so next thing we want to do is we have two sections here. Now we want to do the top one, we don't need much geometry here. This one we need more geometry because we're going to start applying some textures to it. Some displacement maps. So, not displacement maps, we want to apply over here in the modifier panels. I'll show you. So if we click the center point here, another hotkey we can do is Control plus, and if we Control plus, we grow out that selection. And that's what we want to do right there. We want to select just this top up to that lip. Now if you hit the P key, you can separate the selection. Okay, now these are two separate objects. If we go back into object mode, on here we have a top here and we have a side. Something we need to start doing, we never did on the we never did this on the hatchet, and we'll go back and do that. Let's go ahead and put this, and let's put cut. Rename this object here, right here in this box here, and hit enter. So now this is called cut. Let's select this one, and let's call this bark. All right, so now when we select this, we can see it's cut, and that's bark. And you can name it more elaborate if you'd like to, but this should do for now.